At the beginning, these steps that we're going to explain apply to Windows 10 and Windows 11. The steps are exactly the same with no differences. In this video, we'll solve the problem of Windows updates suddenly stopping. Sometimes there's an important Windows update, a feature update, or a cumulative update, and while it's downloading, it completely stops or gets stuck at a certain percentage, like 60%, 70%, or even 100%. And this issue can continue for a while. Even after restarting your computer and checking again, you may find that the problem is still there. The solution is very simple, so don't forget to like the video. Let's get started. First step, open the search box from the taskbar and search for Services. Then open the Services app. If you're on Windows 10, do the same. Open the search box and type Services, then open it. Now focus with me. Scroll down and look for Windows Update. Double-click on it, then from Startup Type, choose Disabled. This is the first and very important step, temporarily turning off Windows updates. Next, go to This PC, then open the C drive, then open the Windows folder, and look for a folder called Software Distribution. Open that folder, then delete all the files inside it. These files are related to pending updates, corrupted updates, or old updates that may be causing the issue. So we'll select all these files and delete them. After that, go back and open Services again. Open Windows Update, then set it to Automatic, and click Start to enable updates again. Then restart your computer. After restarting, come back and continue. After the restart, go to Windows Update Settings. You'll find the Check for Updates option. Click on it. It will start either continuing the updates or searching for new Windows updates. This applies to both Windows 10 and Windows 11 with no problem. That's it. That's the topic of today's video. We hope this was helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and reviews. Thank you and goodbye.